I am not very athletic. I can't do aerobics for long. You wouldn't call me muscular. No one's ever said I was strong. But I've never lost a fight, never gotten beaten up. 'Cause when I'm scared I've got a friend I can call up. I can call up my ninja. My ninja. My ninja. My ninja. He doesn't carry a sword with him, 'cause he can kill a man with one blow. He also doesn't carry a sword with him, 'cause my production budget is low. I just broke the fourth wall with that comment, but please don't get pissed, 'cause he could break the fourth wall just with his fist. Just with his fist. My ninja. My ninja. My ninja. My ninja. He can split boards and throw shurikens, pretty much what you would expect. But he can also do surprising things, like that time that he broke my neck.